In this video we're going to show you how to share email replies in Google Sheets. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. In this trick, you don't have to install anything. You just start by composing an email. Before sending that email, you just have to specify reply2sheet@gmail.com in the CC field. Just send the email and then you will receive a Google Sheet link in the Updates folder. You can keep replying to the email conversation and those replies will keep storing in the Google Sheet you received earlier. This is as simple as that. That is it guys, this is how you can store email replies in Google Sheets. However, this works with G Suite only as of now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.